Okay, we're going to do a quick video to kind of show you some of the changes that I made in the device handler to kind of give you a show where the progress is now with where it is, still in alpha beta stage. So you can see here, this is the part. It's master bedroom ceiling fan light is what I've called it. You can see now the status is fan as opposed to the light like it used to be. And it's currently off. So I'm going to go ahead and cycle the power here using the remote to kind of go through it. So there's our fan cycle button. And watch, keep your eyes on top what happens over here with the with our indication. So there's the high speed, and the fan's above me, and I can hear it turning on. So let's cycle through it now. So there's medium high, there's medium, low, and then off. So you can see it cycling through each of those cycles over there. That's and then I can also turn on the light here. But you won't see that cycle up on top of the screen. But let's go ahead and do it just so you can kind of see what's going to happen. So the light's now on up above me. I'm going to turn the fan back on to high as we cycle it on. You can see the high on. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the upper button, which is the, well, not, yeah, I'll go ahead and do it just to kind of show you. So we'll hit the off button up above so you can see it's shut off. Can't tell if you can see it, but it shut off the fan and the light together. Let me come back over to the, you can see there's one of the little bugs in this one right now, is that it's not letting it kind of update that, it's not syncing it. So we're looking at that one right now. So let's go ahead and do it manually, kind of give you an idea of what some of this other stuff is. So I'm going to go into medium speed and the fan's on above me. In fact, let me go ahead and pick it up. We'll show you what that looks like. See if we can do that. Put it up above you. So there's the fan, and then gosh, I'm doing it left-handed. This is going to be rough. Let me switch. That was a mistake. Let me switch over to the other hand. My other hand's not doing any better, but at least I'll try to see if I can't get it up there. So there's the fan running. So let's go ahead and do some of the speed changes. So there's the we're going up to the medium high, and we'll go up to the high speed there. I'm not sure if you could hear it, but the speed kicked up to high speed on us. Let's go ahead and hit the lights on. You can kind of see that up over on the other side. There's our lights. And I'm going to go turn off the lights again so it kind of keeps the screen. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and hit breeze down below there. So let me hit breeze. So you can see there's the breeze. Breeze basically is a cycle. It's an automatic cycle between the various speeds to kind of mimic breeze on top of the unit. And then to turn on and off, you can use the top icon, the main one. Let me see if I can pull that up there. So you can kind of see that's the on-off up here. So the on speeds are down below, the medium, high, etc. And then the off, you hit up here at the top. Okay. Now, just for this particular version, I went ahead and stuck it up at the bottom too. You can see the on-off down there as well. But you don't have to go down there to turn it off. You can actually do it up here at the top screen. All right. Hope that helped.